Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am bringing to you a wear test of, I know I'm sad I've still got it in the box, but it's just the way that I roll. So I've got the Hourglass Vanish Stick and the Revolution one as well. If this had a box, it'd still be in the box because that's how I like to store them, so I can see what I've got. Basically what I did today, you will see in the portion of me applying the makeup, I decided to do a half and half wear test. So I'm just going to read what the claims are on the Revolution and the Hourglass, and then obviously put you into the video, and then I will come back and I will tell you my thoughts on both of them. But both of these colours, which I've got Alabaster and I've got F2, are the perfect shade, and I've not had to bronze or do anything. For Revolution, there is only 18 shades. Now, how diverse you want that to be, I don't know, but for me it's not diverse enough. But then I've seen ones that have come out with like the 60 and they're still not diverse enough. So for me, Revolution needs to kick themselves a little bit. Starting off with Revolution, it says, foundation just got faster, launching in 18 shades and a range of undertone. Fast-based foundation quickly perfects contours and highlights your complexion. This easy to apply formless stick, blending seamless to leave a fresh and dewy finish. I couldn't think what I was going to say. And then it just gives you the undertones. So there's neutrals, yellows, pinks, peaches, golden, beige, warm, and then obviously there's the 18 shades. So let's go on to the Hourglass Vanish. Now this, my friends, has got 32 shades, which is a lot more diverse. It says, a revolutionary foundation stick with the coverage of a concealer, the fluidity of a liquid and the weightlessness of a powder, in a long wear waterproof formula for undetectable full coverage. They are saying that it's fast and easy to use, pores, blemishes and dark under eye circles. I'm now going to show you the application of both sides. So I'm going to go in with the Revolution one on my right side, and I'm going to be using two different brushes. I know this one's dirty, but I'm going to use this, shouldn't affect it, and that Hourglass on my left. And I just thought this would be a really good test, and I know you need quite a lot for this. I'm just gonna blend this in. This looks very pale when you first put it on, but if you sort of look at it, it starts oxidizing, and I like it everywhere. And I'm actually doing this without any primers at all. Revolution side, and it's really nice. I think they've added to the range yet. Just going to put a little bit more on. I know I have to build this just on the areas I want the extra coverage, and it's the perfect shade match for me, even if it's slightly oxidizes. It's not that much of a deal because I'm still lightly yellow. So I'm now going in with the vanishing stick, taking the clean brush, and just, I know both of these work better with the brush. For me anyway, I get better coverage. So I know there's that new Hourglass one out. This on the first round has given me less coverage than the Revolution. A lot less coverage. which I wasn't expecting, to be honest with you. You really can see everything. So, but when you're putting it on your normally you really don't see. This is definitely more of a bigger second coat than what I had to do on the Revolution side. So, and it's not that bad of a match. This has covered my glass marks, this one hasn't. So this side is very, very, very light compared to this, even with the amount that I used. If you see, you can still see. But on this side it's a lot better. Which you don't really notice normally. Like I say, when you use products. But I'm not sort of battling them against each other. But they are perfect dupes. Colour wise anyway. So I'm just going to put a little bit more, see if I can. See, I would have left it normally on the second layer, but just make it sure it blends. Time is 7:30 in the morning. For some reason we're getting sunlight. Not a lot, but I'm just going to go in with some cream concealer. Just going to go in with some concealer. And again, on the Hourglass side, I will go in with this brush. And then pat it out with my finger. And then I'm going in with this one. Everything blends beautifully. And then I'm just going to set it with my e.l.f. under eye setting powder. Just tap it into my skin. I'm going to set it down with the Lottie Ready Set Go. And I really just... So guys, I'll be back when I've got my face on, and I'll see you in a minute. So guys, this is the finished look. I've not used any setting spray today, but I always normally do, but I always use primer as well. So I'm really letting this just do its thing today. So we'll actually see how it does. And yeah, I'll be back later on in like 7 hours probably. This side has started to go in my crease near my lip, just here already, and that's just what I've noticed. I really had a lot of trouble blending things out on both sides, but more on this side. I don't know what that's about, but I suppose when you wear them separately you don't really look. Oh, I don't know, these are as well. It's not alone. Gone in all my lines already, and it's been about an hour. And I'll be back in a second. So, hi guys, and the time is 5:43. So, it's been on for over 7 hours, and I'm not being funny, but they both look amazing, they really do. Little bit of creasing, which I noticed at the beginning. Feels a little dry. I've still got it on my nose. And this is why I like these as my, got it on my cheeks, my forehead. So this is why I said I really like these foundations in winter. The combination together, I feel, is so much better, especially on my chin, because that's where I always lose it. And the Hourglass was mainly my nose. On my nose, I think that's been the best part about it. And everything is still in place and I've been active, so which makes it even better. But like I said, I cannot wear this foundation in the summertime, either of them, because A, I've got oily skin type, but it breaks down. I keep these for winter. To compare them side by side, I'm just like, this one gave more full coverage, if you like. So for me, I know which one I'm going to spend my next lot of money on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this Hourglass versus Revolution, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.